A bit of breaking news that involves your school loans. The U.S. Supreme Court now declining to reinstate the Biden administration's latest plan to cancel student debt. The administration earlier had a plan that would have wiped out more than $400 billion in student debt and lowered payments for millions of borrowers. The Supreme Court rejected that plan last year, and today the High Court turned down the Biden administration's latest attempt to provide student loan forgiveness. Our business correspondent, Alexis Christoforous, is tracking all the late-breaking details. So millions of people are now in limbo, right?
Yeah, so about 8 million people are closely watching what's going on here with the High Court and this forgiveness plan, Kira. And here's the good news. Last month, the Department of Education actually put those 8 million people who were part of what's called the SAVE program into an interest-free forbearance plan. What does that mean? In plain English, they don't owe anything. They don't have to make any payments on their student loans while this case or while this topic makes its way through the courts. There are a number of lawsuits now brought mostly by Republican-led states saying that this is an overreach by the Biden administration and they do not want this plan to go forward.
So the process isn't over, right? The appeals process is still underway. So what's next?
Right. So it could be quite a while these lawsuits make their way through the courts. And, you know, with just weeks to go before the election, nobody is really expecting anything of great consequence to come from this plan. I can tell you that the plan was going to help reduce those monthly payments for borrowers. And it was also going to wipe out debt for any single person making less than $32,800. So for now, all of that is on hold. The big thing for the Republicans, how would the administration pay for this? They are pegging the cost of this loan forgiveness plan at about $475 billion over 10 years. They say it is unfair for all of the millions and millions of people who had to pay all of their loans in full over the years. And they say it doesn't get to the root of the problem, which is, of course, the exorbitant cost of a college education in this country. The Biden administration, though, putting the cost of this plan at more like $276 billion, and still not a clear plan as to how they would pay for it. Kira?
All right. Well, not great news, but we'll continue to see what happens next. Sure. Alexis, thank you so much.